Hi folks, welcome to this video presentation of this brand new 2021 Nash 17K model. It has nice big windows in the back. It's great for outside of taking and going down those rough roads and everything because it has the off-the-grid package with the bigger tires and wheels. And we'll have questions. We'll start on the inside. What I like about this interior of this 17K Nash is it's very compact, but also still seems very roomy with the big windows in the back. That's the big deal. You've got plenty of seating there in the back area. You've got some nice counter space for a small travel trailer. It's got lots of nice height inside here. You've got the solid wood doors and drawers, which are also real nice for long-term use. It does have a nice glass top oven, and bathroom's got really good space inside there as well. And you do have some pantry storage area in by the refrigerator here as well too, which is very nice. A little bit of space at the front there, side of the bed, that you can place some items and also some USB connections, and a drawer up there and by that bed area as well too. So really nice for a small, compact travel trailer. They really put a lot in here, and Northwood really does a great job of giving you plenty of storage. Thank you for spending some time with me today on this video presentation for this 17K Nash. If you have any questions, give me a call at the number you see at the end of this video. And remember, in Junction City here, it's an RV show every day.